Hi guys! Kayo ba ay mayroong anak na na-diagnose na may ADHD na hirap kumalma? Ito ang 5 calming activities na pwede nating gawin sa bahay. Very simple lang and I think this is effective. Una, bubble breathing. Pahipanin mo siya ng bubbles or kung wala, kahit pretend lang. It helps with deep breathing. Pangalawa, movement breaks. Jumping jacks, wall push-ups, or kahit lakad-lakad para ma-release ang extra energy. Pangatlo ay fidget toys or any other toys. Bigyan siya ng stress ball or pop it to keep the hands busy so the mind stays calm. Pang-apat ay calm down corner. Gawa ka ng chill spot with pillows and soft toys at quiet time lang. Hindi punishment ha. Panglima ay coloring time. Kahit anong coloring books or free drawing para ma-relax at makafocus. This is Teacher Pretty Jane at nagsasabing, small improvements matter. Thank you. Please follow this page for more PT tips.